Hello, this is LuckRail. This is an IKEA shelf. And this is the stupidest and therefore best modular model railway system. An IKEA LACK shelf and some KATO Unitrack aligned 42mm from the wall side. There's not a lot of great options for modular systems in HO or OO, so I came up with my own. Let's put a module together! Here's the parts you need to make a basic one. An IKEA LACK shelf, 114mm and two 94mm lengths of KATO Unitrack, and a suitable glue. I'm using Slow-Tack superglue gel. A 1g tube is perfect to completely cover the bottom of the track with some excess. For tools, you need some spacers, which can also serve as gluing coals, and a heavy weight to press on them with. These I 3D printed at home. They have a 42mm section that fits over the track, with slots to align the rails. They have a 42mm section for aligning to the edge, and they have a short overhang that presses against the back of the shelf. First, check your shelf is the right way up, just in case you want to hang it on the wall later. You can assemble the track pieces in any order, but I try to make it symmetrical as a habit. It's not necessary. All that's left is to glue the track down, for which we'll need the coals. I'll turn the shelf round to be easier for me. Remember, the track goes on the same side as the wall. I've sped up the glue application to save your time. The important point is to keep it away from all the uni-joiners that connect track sections together. We want to be able to replace them for maintenance, especially the ones on the edges that connect to other modules. I'm gluing the outer edges of the track, the screw bosses, and the braces. This is way overkill. A few dots is probably enough, but at least the track on the outer edges will need to take the force of any imperfect track alignment and stand connection and disconnection, so it needs to be strong. Now the tricky part. We need to align the track both relative to the wall and relative to the edges. It has to overhang slightly on both sides of the shelf so that it connects cleanly to other modules. Even Slow-Tack superglue sets quick, so I'm working fast and not putting any pressure on till I'm happy with the alignment. Now I've added some weights, just leave it to dry. And that's it.